Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a front door panel. 2003 Honda Pilot, same for 2003 to 2008. We show you the driver's side. Passenger side is a similar procedure. You'll need a flat blade screwdriver, both a kind of medium size and a smaller size, as well as a Phillips screwdriver. Start with a flat blade screwdriver. I just like to pry the bottom of that lens and pull that light bulb out just to save the battery. Then you can use your hands or flat blade screwdriver. Pry out the top of this triangle piece at the top near the mirror, and the top pops out, and then the bottom kind of goes in and then out. And now the switch panel, pry at the bottom of it, and it comes out. And there's 3 harnesses to disconnect. They all just have little tabs that you press with your thumb or your finger, and then pull the harness connection out. And the last one, probably have the most difficult time with, just hadn't been apart before, so press the tab and just pull. I use a screwdriver to help press the tab a little bit, and then it'll finally come out after I work it just a little bit. There's a small trim panel behind your inside door handle. Use a small flat blade screwdriver or a pick and pry the top of it out first. There's 2 black Phillips screws behind there, and then 1 gold screw behind that blue connector, and then 1 gold or CAD plated screw down there. Phillips screwdriver, and remove those 4 screws. Now take your door handle and pull the top of it out first. And you want to pull the top out and rotate it out so you can get to the connection that's behind the door lock switch. And again, it's just a little tab that you press in with your front thumb and pull it up off. And then the door lock rod is connected, so there's a little white clip that you have to push off with your finger, or you could use a flat blade screwdriver. You push the clip off and then pull the rod up and out, and the door handle comes off. Now firmly pull around the outside of the door handle to release the clips, the door panel, and then lift the door panel up and off. And there's 1 more harness on the driver's side there. When you go to reinstall, get the panel close and reconnect that lower harness. Then make sure your 3 harnesses come up through the bottom opening, and then your door lock harness comes up through the top opening. Then lift the panel up into place. It slides down onto the window ledge. Get the door lock in place first. And usually, actually, if you kind of pull the bottom out and push it down over the lock, it'll go on a little easier. Set the door on the door window ledge and then push it down and help that lock through. And then once it's on there right, the clips around the perimeter of it line right up, and you can just give it a tap right around the perimeter and lock it in place. Put the bottom of the triangle seal, or the triangle trim piece, in first, and then rotate the top up and lock it in place. And then put your door handle in place. Bring it around. You'll actually want to reconnect the lock rod first. You just got to work the rod into the hole and then flip the clip around and lock it back on. It's almost impossible to video, so you just kind of see me here working it. You can hear it snap in place there. Then reconnect the power door lock harness. and then slide the bottom of the door handle in first, and then push the rest of it into place. Fast forward as I put the 4 screws back in, the 2 that hold the door handle, and if you see me, I put that trim panel back in place as well, and then the 2 larger CAD plated screws that hold the door panel in place. Make sure your door is unlocked so you don't lock yourself out accidentally, and reconnect all the harnesses in the master switch and the mirror switch. Put the front of the switch panel back in place first, and then push the rear of it in the middle of it down into place, and then replace your bulb and lens. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1aauto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.